Ode to Joy picking. And you see these two bars, this double bar at the end tells you it's the end of a song. FYI. Here's how you pick Ode to Joy. So their strings are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to start with the second string. You're going to pick it twice. 0 means no fingers down. 0, 0, 1, 3, 3, 1, 0, 2, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 2, 2. Second line, 0, 0, 1, 3, 3, 1, 0, 2, 0, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, 0. Right, third line, 2, 2, 0, 0, 2, 1, 0, 0, 2, 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 3. And the fourth line is just like that second line. 0, 0, 1, 3, 3, 1, 0, 2, 0.